Morning, Beth.
Hi, morning.
Everything okay? You look sad.
Sad? No, everything's fine.
Sorry, my bad.
Do you want another cup of coffee? You look like you didn't get much sleep last night.
No, thanks. I slept just fine. Plenty of sleep, actually. Do I look tired? Oh, I didn't put makeup on this morning. All right, I'm heading out.
Oh, you sure you want to head out, hon? You look a little unwell.
I am not sleepy, sad, or unwell. I'm just not wearing makeup! Ugh!
Hey! Would you like to try this new concealer? It'll help with those baggy eyes.
What's with everyone today? Calling me sleepy, sad, and unwell? I just didn't have time to put on makeup this morning. Ugh. I mean, I know you're not wearing makeup, but you look amazing. Like, what's your secret? Actually, your skin is glowing.
Oh, love, I normalized my makeup-free look a long time ago. I gave up foundations and concealers and all that unnecessary makeup and chemicals when I found Ayurveda.
What is it, like not makeup?
No, not at all. It's Ayurveda. 100% natural oils made with herbal ingredients with formulas over 5,000 years old. I got myself this. I call it my little fountain of youth. It's made with black gram lentil. I don't put anything else on my skin. I just love it so much the way that it is. One pump every morning and my skin is firm, soft, supple, and moisturized. No more bouts of itchy, dry skin or a dull, saggy look. And like you said, my skin just glows. And it helps keep my skincare clean and me healthy with no chemicals whatsoever. I feel confident and liberated, you know?
Yeah, this is exactly what I need.
I'm gonna keep this.
No, you're not.
Ayura's Euphari Amplified Youth Spring made with the firming and youth-boosting black gram lentil. Spring free from makeup and celebrate the real beauty of you.